So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Hey everyone! Good morning!
Good morning.
So we are finally here at our first destination here at Zambales, Limliwa Beach Resort. We'll be staying here for the night before heading to Mount Pinatubo.
Down na ta?
Yes.
Yeah. And happy. Sagmati guys. Init. Pero na yung mga pine trees.
Hey everyone, we are here for our lunch. Hey! We're having talong, sinigang na salmon, dinakdakan, sisig, and let's eat. Magkano kuya?
As expected, init guys. Beach.
Naghanap na ng aircon. Yan kasi. Sa susunod, ayusin yung mga desisyon niyo sa buhay. TP hut number
2.
Okay, let's check our rooms. You are Beach Hut 3. Mayabang, naka-aircon. Guys, for the aesthetic. Ayan. Ito ang pinili na room dahil aesthetic daw.
Oh.
Oh, aesthetic. Okay.
Saan yung electric fan natin?
Oh. Ayun o.
Kaya na to? Aesthetic.
Aesthetic electric fan.
Hindi. Malamig ito kami ang gabi. Kasi wala init. Tapos lapit ko sa beach.
We'll see.
Tapos may lamesa, upuan. Anong kudan?
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
Josh, may lamesa daw at upuan. Ano daw kulang?
Wala nga alam, mamayang gabi.
Ay, nako.
Kapitbahay nga alam, sakto.
Okay, guys. This is our room.
Kasi kung doon tayo sa aircon, malayo. Ito, kapitbahay lang tayo. Para pag antok ka na, diretso na.
Matatanaw wala kami, nandito lang kami.
Oh.
1 hour later.
Okay, ready to go.
Hello, we are here at... Anong barangay, Josh?
San Miguel, San Antonio.
Oh.
Dulo ng mundo.
Oh, drama.
30 minutes from Liwa.
Madam, nasa Dubai na ba tayo?
Yes. Kanina Saudi, ngayon Dubai.
Oh, safety first daw. Hi ate, naka-video ka. Parang ano. Thank you po. Anong baon mo? Buksan mo yung baon mo?
Sa old TV.
Oh! Donut tsaka talong.
Bagong ano yun
Pwede mo na. Thank you.
We are here at our first stop at Anawangin Cove. Let's go na!
Go! Mga ilang minutes na dito. Kami na bahala. Anawangin Cove. Alis tayo ng 2. Punta tayo ng Camara tsaka Capones Island. Pwede tayo mag-akyat doon, no? Kaso wala na, mainit na.
Hindi alam.
Shit.
Why?
Liog dagat.
Kasi kailangan ko ng sa aking eyes. So, nagpalagay ako ng payong. Correct.
Kaya.
Yes. Fully paid.
Dito, nalingaw na dito.
Nice experience. Pero, sige daw. Let's see if makita ninyo may oil sa water. But, hindi naman katol, guys. Okay lang. Okay, hello! It's 2 o'clock. We have to go and proceed to our next destination.
Camara and Capones Island.
Okay. Let's go.
Me, I.
We need a phone. We need a phone for this video. Hello everyone. So we are now here at our second destination. We are here at Capones Island. Tajan! Woo! Say hi! Where? First flight at Capones Island. Hello everyone, so we already spent 30 minutes here. Time to go for our third destination. We'll go to Camara Island. Leave nothing but footprints. Whew. Init.
Camara Island.
Time to reapply our sunscreen, guys. Boom. Wow, smooth. Hey, we are now at our last destination, Camara Island. Hey. Oy. Init.
Kantil.
So, hello. Anong oras na ba, Josh? Time to go na ba? 2 minutes. Okay, guys.
Dagat may nakita kami ganyan doon sa kalutang.
Ano?
Sa Europe, nakalutang ganyan.
Eh,
Naka-life jacket.
Life jacket.
drama.
Oo nga, sinagip ng ano yun eh. Ang barko namin.
MMK by Alexander.
Baka tumalon yun.
Siguro, ano yun? Isa.
Ito may life jacket ba't nalunod?
Kahit may life jacket ka mo.
Mulay pagkaon.
Kung wala ka na sa ano, malamig ang tubig.
Hypothermia. Wow. Ubus na ba yung mga buhangin niyo sa pet? Nilinisan niyo na ba? Paano ka? Okay, patingin nga, interview. Pasilip nga.
Dagat sa Sambales. Pwede para.
Ano naman?
Sa
Sa Alphamart. Alphamart.
Sige dito.
Red wine. Hello.
Uy, tumigil ka. Smirnopin kita dyan.
4:30 p.m. Let's go. Let's go now. Overtime na. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Sit down.
Hello everyone. So, ngayon, saan pwede magbasa dito?
After the dagat, Raposo.
Bakit? The reality. Okay, after magdagat, anong gagawin?
Raposo.
Doon na magbanlaw sa resort.
Back to Limliwa. And look what we've got here. A beautiful sunset. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go see the sunset. Let's go. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening. We are almost here in our teepee hut. Look, guys. Such a beautiful sunset here in Zambales. Cutie. till you see it. Everyone's on their banana beds. Look. Look, guys. Everyone's watching the sunset, guys. Guys, sunset. Guys, sunset. Look. Hey. See? Everyone's watching the sunset. So pretty. We are watching the sunset here at Limliwa Beach Resort, Zambales. Kanina walang tao kasi mainit. Ngayon, look at this.
Guys, it's already 6:12 p.m. Daming tao. And may sunset pa rin.
Sa Samal, jet ski. Dito sa Zambales ay bangka. Josh, very good ka. Good job, good job, good job. It's worth it. Light dinner daw. Bihon, pansit gisado, garlic bread, and bagnet. Kainan na.
Toyo.
Unsa mo ka, uy?
Ano na kasi? Tingalaga sa atin. Ha?
Baby siya.
Guys, Mami Babies, the best. Thank you, ma'am. Ay, ma'am, may ano kayo?
Ano ba dapat?
Support.
Kuwaon na ako. Kuwaon na ako.
Thank you po.
Kalimut sa wala.
Pagdating natin doon na tayo.
Hindi nga gusto ito. Ano niya? Hanap na. Sorry. Huli ko na po.
The next day.
Good morning. 9 o'clock na. Good morning, everyone. Wow. Uy! Kakainin sa...
Saan tayo? Matinong pa kayo, ma'am.
Ay, ba alam ba?
Let's go, follow us.
Park na ta. Had fun. Thank you.
Wow!
Pwedeng idugtong yan, ma'am. Pwedeng pamalo po.
Pamalo ka sa masugat. Dala ka na. Duyan.
1.5 yung dalawa.
Hala.
Grabe na. 1.2.
Huwag na! Anong gagawin ko dyan sa ano? Nakatakot ko naman. Nabudol ako sa duyan. Hello, it's 11 o'clock. Check out na tayo.
Mag-lunch.
For lunch.
Aesthetic,
Excited
thank you,
for
aesthetic.
Excited for our Zamburger. Dali na. Ready to go na akong bags. Turn off.
Aesthetic. Check out na po.
Sure pa, titig niya lang ako. Picture mo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go. Saan dyan? Sige. Ano pa ito, Tel?
Mangga banana oatmeal.
Wow, thank you. Let's go, Gio.
Sinakit.
Atin.
Sure lang tayo?
Yes.
Why?
Why not? Laki. Wow. Lunch is here.
Kamu gusto dito?
Wow.
Thank you and come again. We are on our way to Kappa Starlock for our sleepover. So tomorrow we will be at Mount Pinatubo. Bye, thank you.
For the vlog, iwanan na namin sila.
See you tomorrow. Where are you?
Order for dinner.
Getting food for dinner, guys. Hi, dinner is secured. We are currently staying here at Vest Resort. We will stay here for the night, and then by 5 o'clock in the morning, we're going to the meet-up place. Meet-up place sa Jollibee para diretso na sa jump off sa Santa Juliana. Early dinner para makarest pa. Thank you. Okay.
For only one night.
With own toilet and bath. My coffee. Inuha mo ganina. Yes. So let's eat dinner.
Ikaw na ta? 4:40 pa.
Ikaw na tayo eh. Para makaligo na. Bye.